Hey y'all, it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Wantable unboxing. I ordered a few Wantables, so I'm actually not sure which box this is. So we're gonna open it and find out. If you're unfamiliar with Wantable, they are a styling service. You can do it on a subscription, so you can do every 3 months, every month, every season, kind of on your own cadence. Right now I have it set to just as I want to order it. And they do have a lot of fun seasonal temporary boxes. Each box is about $21 and you do get that credited back if you purchase anything from the box as well. So let's see what we got here. This is our little stack here. I'm gonna take the tissue paper off so you don't have to listen to that. Okay, so this is our Back to Comfort Active Edit, so that is pretty exciting. I don't know if I request anything here. I just said I'd love some fun workout gear, cool colors, and prints would be great. So super excited to see what they picked out. You also do get a return mailer here, so you can send back anything you don't like, don't want to purchase right now, maybe want later, and then just schedule it for pickup and they will come get it from your front door. So first thing I'm seeing in here is incredibly soft. So I'm already really excited. This is from 78 and Sunny, and it just looks to be a little zip up hoodie. It's this beautiful navy color. I really love this. It's very lightweight, but not in a way that wouldn't keep you warm still. So it's super nice. And I also really like the edge of the sleeve here. This detail's really pretty. So I am excited about this one. It's really, really soft. 78 and Sunny is also a brand that I really like from them. Just tends to be a little bit expensive, but we'll see. Okay, this is like even softer than the other one. This is from Glider, which is a fantastic activewear brand. It's kind of a sage green. It's showing up kind of brown on camera, but it's definitely a little bit greener. I love a good sweatshirt, and this is super soft, so I already love it. It's so cozy. Okay, well, that's fun. Ooh, then we have a sports bra. That's fun. And this is in kind of a rust orange color. Looks like it has some nice detail on here. And then the back does have some cool detail as well. And it does have removable pads. Then we have something from Task. Wantable does have a men's edit as well, and my boyfriend loves it and has bought so many shirts from Task. They're definitely his favorite brand. I do have to say the men's Task items are a lot softer than the women's, which is kind of disappointing, but you know, it is what it is. This is a really pretty blue. I love this. I have to say the fabric, again, like I said, it's just not as soft as a lot of the men's Task items. And I am a little worried that this material would show sweat. So we're gonna see what it looks like. Maybe I'll end up loving it. I mean, I love the color. What? These are fun. See, this is exactly what I was looking for. This is so fun. So these are some ribbed leggings. They're kind of like cloud tie-dye acid wash, kind of reminiscent of like the 90s to me. I'm really excited about these. And these are just full-length leggings. There we go. And then we have what looks to be another pair. Ooh, these are joggers. Okay. These are from MPG. They're kind of like a brown, almost with a little bit of purple in them. These are really, really pretty. They kind of remind me of some Halara pants that I showed in my last haul, that I have been wearing like crazy. So I know that I would definitely get some good use out of these. And those are a little bit more of a windbreaker material. So I'm excited to try these. And then the last thing that we have in here is from Spiritual Gangster, which I love this brand, but they're just way too expensive in my opinion. And this is a tank top. I don't really like tank tops, honestly. It's just not really my thing. And this says love beings. Oh, love for all beings. So that's pretty cute. Okay, like the design, like the message. So let me flip around this camera and we'll do a little try on here. Okay, so the first outfit that I put on, I already don't think I'm going to be getting anything, but that is totally okay. So I put on that tank top, which, like I said, I'm just not really a tank top person. It's pretty see-through, as you can tell, so that's not really my favorite, and I just feel like it's just not flattering on me. So this is gonna be a no. I put on that blue jacket, and this is incredibly soft, and I really do like it. I'm kind of debating whether or not I want to keep this one, but we'll see. We'll see what the price comes out to be, because that can be a differentiating factor, right? And then I have these joggers, and I do really like these. They're just really big. So these are in a large. Sometimes I am a large, sometimes I'm not. And I think these I would just need to go down a size, but I don't know if I like them enough to go down a size. So I think all of this is gonna be a no, but that's okay. We still got more stuff. Okay, so I want to put on this sports bra and the leggings, and both of these are also a no. So the sports bra I really like. I feel like it's very flattering. It's just too small and it's uncomfortable. I have a relatively large chest, so I definitely have to be kind of careful with that, but this is just a little too tight for my liking. And then the leggings are kind of the opposite. It's definitely not a size thing. They're just not very compressive, which I prefer in leggings. And even though they are so cute and I love the pattern, they're see-through, which is just an automatic no for me. I don't like going to the gym and having to worry about anybody seeing anything, so both of these are gonna be a no. So this is that task shirt. This is really nice, honestly. I really like this. I definitely do think it would show sweat, but it doesn't touch my armpits, so I feel like it's not as big of a deal. It's really pretty. I think this color is really nice. I love how it falls. This is a good contender. Well, this is incredibly soft. Oh, and it has thumb holes. Okay, I think we've talked about this before. I am a big thumb hole girly. I would love to know, do you like thumb holes or is that not your thing? I love them. I think they're fantastic. My hands are always cold and this solves the problem. So I really love this, honestly. I feel like the color is really nice. I like how this one falls as well. It's so soft. Like, it's just so cozy. I just want to live in it. Okay. I feel like I might be in trouble here because this one's really, really nice. So, okay, let's recap and check these prices, and that will make my decision. Okay, so let's go through the stuff I know I'm not gonna get. First thing is that Spiritual Gangster tank top. This is $48. It's not horrible, but $48 for a tank top is no. Sorry. Then the sports bra that I do really like, it's just not the right size. And this is $59.99. This is a large, extra large, so I'd have to go up to like a double XL, and I just don't think so. So, this is, I mean, definitely gonna be a no, but I'm also not gonna exchange it for a bigger size. These joggers, these are $78. Sorry. No. Nope. No. Then we have these leggings. These are $84. These are also from Glider. So I missed that in the beginning. That makes a lot more sense as to why they're $84. Quality-wise, I'm gonna have to disagree with that because, like I said, they are see-through. The reason why is that the inside is white, and like, I don't know if you can tell, but like, oh yeah, you can tell. They're see-through. They're so see-through. Again, nope, not for $84. No. I feel like I'm being so negative, but I'm disappointed. This is the task shirt. This is $54. Meh. The Culver City hoodie, which is this navy one, is $68. Not really worth it in my opinion, but $68. And then lastly, we have this that I love. I love this, but it's $72. This one's just gonna be a no from me all around. The total is $394, and I could never. So that was definitely one of my least favorite Wantable hauls that I've done. I did say earlier that I have ordered a few other ones, so I'm really, really hopeful that the other ones are better. I feel like we had hit a stride with Wantable. They were doing really well, and this just really kind of like threw a wrench in the spokes for us. Sorry this video was not as positive as I was hoping it would be, but I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you're interested in seeing how those other Wantable boxes turn out, definitely subscribe so you don't miss out when I post that. And let's keep our fingers crossed that they are better than this one was. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!